Presido Muhammadu Buhari received NYSC members for Daura. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don express in deep attachment to the National Youth Service Corps scheme, say e dey broaden the horizon of Nigeria youths. They open up wide range of opportunities and increase their understanding and appreciation for cultural differences. When he received some corps members wey dey serve for Daura wey come for solidarity visit, Presido described the scheme as better initiative wey dey important for national unity and stability. The youth corps members wey many meet for the private house of Naija leader to show their solidarity and also wish am successful and memorable celebration. The corps members body sweet them well as Presido come out come show appreciation to them. Their corps liaison officer Umar Babayo wey talk on their behalf come appreciate Presido Buhari for his sincere commitment to address Naija fundamental challenges for posterity.
The NYSC members recognize the economic and infrastructural development which the federal government has embarked upon to ensure the realization of economic diversification, especially in agriculture. We also use this opportunity to appreciate the effort of the federal government as it relates to the NYSC scheme.
Presido come welcome them formally to Daura wey be in country home. Come tell them say make them not only commit to Nigeria, but make them also dey faithful to the ideals of NYSC scheme.
I feel very strongly about NYSC and I always wish you the best of luck. And I thank you for your service to the country. I assure you that we are much better off as Nigerians.
Sake of the spirit of the season, Presido Muhammadu Buhari can donate 2 bulls, 20 bags of rice, and 1 million naira to corps members. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top with tori for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Daura, Katsina State.